technology. All right. Just a second. Yeah, students.
స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ బుక్ పెన్ తో రెడీగా ఉండండి. మేడం చెప్పినవన్నీ కూడా నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ఇంకా ఎవరైనా అప్లై చేయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే 14th October వరకు లాస్ట్ డేట్ ఉంది. ప్లీజ్ అప్లై. ఎస్ మ్యామ్, యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ మ్యామ్.
Yes. All right, students, we are going to start the first question today, and we are doing mental ability. Mental ability is very important, and you can definitely score full marks if we are very much thorough with this concept. All right, now let's start. The first question here goes, find the missing number. All right, so here we have 3 sets. So in the first one, we have 66, 60. Then below that, we have 2, 3. And in the second one, we have 49, 25. Below that, we have 4, 6. All right. And what is that we are supposed to find out is the third one, which comes out with a question mark. Right. And we have 15. Below that, 8, 9. Now you have to find the relation between the numbers. All right. So the options are A 32, B 129, C 87, and D is 207. All right. So
స్టూడెంట్స్ మేడం అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ లో ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ ఉంది. ఆ ప్యాటర్న్ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకొని ఫస్ట్ 2 ఏ ప్యాటర్న్ లో అయితే ఉన్నాయో లాస్ట్ వన్ కూడా అదే ప్యాటర్న్ ఫాలో అయ్యి మనకు ఆన్సర్ రావాలి.
all right. So hope you all would have done it and got the answer. See, the first one answer is 87. How is it 87, students? See here, you can find the hint that has been displayed. In the first one, we have 60 plus 2 into 3, right? That is 60 plus 2 into 3. So we are taking this 60, right? And the 2 into 3, that is 60 plus 6 is 66. All right. Next you have, see the next one. Similarly, you can have 25 plus 4 into 6. So what do we get? 25 plus 4 into 6, it is 49. Similarly, for the third also, the third pattern also, you can follow this. 15 plus 8 into 9. So 15 plus 9 eighths are 72, will give you 87. That is why your option C is the correct answer. All right, students? Is it clear? Right. So now let's move on to the next question. Right. So here goes the second question. You have 2, 5, 9. The second one is 5, 7, 32. And the third one is 7, 6, question mark. Now you need to find the relation between the numbers, which will help you to, fill the question mark. All right. So too much of time cannot be taken for the students. So quickly do it and give me the answer. All right. So I can give you a clue. You can just do this square, right? So just do square, that is 2 square will give us 4. So 4 plus what? If you add, you're getting 9 plus 5. Isn't it? So 4 plus 5 is 9. Like that, do 5 square. Okay. So 5 square is 25. 25 plus 7, 32. Like that, you can do 7 square. 49 plus 6, 55. So your correct answer must be option A, that is 55. All right, students, you can put your answers in the chat box. So let me see how many of you have answered. Many have given the answers. Excellent. Right, so many have given the answers and many have given the wrong answers as well. All right, so I hope you would have understood. Now let's move on to the next question. All right. The explanation is already done. Right. Now see the next question. We have 3, 8, 4, 20. Next is 7, 12, 3, and 81. Next is 8, 15, 9, and dash. All right. So don't take more than 2 minutes to get the answer. So I'm sure you all can do it. Yes, is my voice audible, students? So please put it in the chat box. I have increased the mic volume also. Is my voice audible? Chandrika ma'am, is it now audible? All right. Okay. Right. Now let's see the answer for this. So your option B is the correct one, 111. How is it? So now let's find the relation between the first and the second one. Right? The first one says 3 into 8. 8 3s are 24 minus 4 will give you 24 minus 4 will give us 20. Similarly, we have 7 into 12 minus 3. 84 minus 3 will give us 81. Likewise, we can also do 8 into 15 minus 9 will give us 111. All right. All right. So good that many of you have responded. Now let's see. Let's go on to our next question. So here we have 93, 27, 63, 3. Next one is 79, 38, 37, 4. Right? So the next one is 67, 16, 42, and dash. Right? So don't take more than 2 minutes because these questions maximum you can solve it even within a span of 2 minutes. Okay. All right. Now let's see the answer for this. It is 9. How? 3 plus 63 plus 27 will give us 93. So we are going from reverse to the top. All right. Right. All right. See the next one. We have 79, 38. Next we have 37 and 4. Right. So you can see the relation 4 plus 37 plus 38 will give us 79. All right. See the next one. We have 9 plus 42 plus 16. So we have chosen 9. So 9 plus 42 plus 16 will give us 67. That is why your option B, 9 is correct. All right, now see, let's move on to the next question. Students, don't take more than 2 minutes. So you can put your answers in the chat box. Right. Okay. Right. Okay, students, your time is already done. Let's move on to the answer. The option is 10. How do you get? See, 10 plus 8 is 18. All right. And see, 14 plus 8 is 22. Likewise, 11 plus 4 is 15. Right? All right. Now see, we have 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Likewise, 6 plus 8 is 14. So 6 plus 4 must be equal to 10. That's why we are getting option 3, that is 10 as the correct answer. Right? Fine. Now so we can also verify the answer. Right? So 4 plus 14 is 18. Next, 14 plus 8 is 22. 5 plus 10 is 15. All right? All right. Now let's move on to the next question. We have 2, 4, 20, 3, 9, 90, 1, 5 dash. Very simple question. So you can think about it and then you can give the answers. So 2, 4, 20. All right. So actually simple. Nothing difficult in this. I can give you a clue. Just do like this, 2 square plus 4 square. What do you get? 4 plus 16, isn't it? Likewise, 3 square plus 9 square. So 3 threes are 9 plus 81 is 90. Like that. You can also do 1 square plus 5 square. So 25 plus 1, 26. So your option 3, that is 26, must be the correct answer. Now let me see how many of you have given the correct answers. Okay, almost many are giving me the answers. Good students, let's move on to the next question. All right. Right. Now see the next question we have. 27, 22, 15, 13, 12, 26, 9, 2 dash. All right. So when any Sudoku kind of sum comes, what do? We first add up everything, isn't it? So just try to add up 27 plus 22 plus 50. What do you get? 27 plus 22 plus 1. So 27 plus 22. So you get 49 plus 1 is 50, isn't it? Likewise, we have, let me change the color. Yellow is not visible. I'll change it to red. Okay. Likewise, you have 13 plus 12 plus dash is 26. So 25 plus 1, isn't it? Similarly, 9 plus 2 plus dash, that is same 1. So you will have 9, 10, 11, 12. So your option 1 must be the correct answer. All right. I hope you all would have got the answer and it's clear. Right. Now see the next question. We have three triangles. Inside the triangle we have 19. Outside we have 5, 3, then 4. And see the second one we have 7, 5, and the base is 6. And in the third triangle we have 6, 4, then the base is 5. All right. So now what would be the question mark? That is the second one. Right. So let's try this way. 5 into, let's multiply these two. This 5 into 3. So we get 15. Right. So what if you do, you will get 19 plus 4. If you do, you will get 19. Isn't it? And you can check this also. That is 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. Plus if you add 5, you get 29. Likewise, 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35. Plus 6 will give you 41. So your option 4 must be the correct answer. All right, students, I'm sure many of you would have understood and given the answer. Let's see the answer. Yes, it is. All right, so that's what we did. Fine. Now let's move on to the next question. We have six set of numbers. 286, 7, 16, 142, 34, and dash. Right, now let's find the relation and solve the question now. Right, so now if you see here, you have what is the relation between the 7 and 16? Right, so what is the relation? If you multiply 7 into 2, you get 14. Right, so and if you add plus 2, you get 16. Like that. See the second one. Right, so you have 16. 16 into 2, that is 32. plus 2, you get 64. Isn't it? Right? So likewise, you can also do for 34. 34 into 2, that is 68 plus 2. We get 70. Therefore, your option 1 is the correct answer. So this should be 70. All right. So I'm sure many of you would have got the answers. Let's see the answer. It is option 1, 70. All right. Let's move on to the next question. We have a circle, right? And each numbers in the circle is 55, 13, 68, 26, 42. And what is the question mark? Now, how do you find out the answer for this? Now, let's try a combination of this, that is this and this. So, what is 68 minus 55? Let's try it out. 68 minus 55 will be 8 minus 5 is 3, 6 minus 5 is 1, 13. Right? So, now let's try this combination. 26 minus 13 is also 13. Right? So, your third option, you have 42. Isn't it? So, 42 minus 13. 42 minus what you do, you get 13. Right? So, you have to minus 42 and 13. So, you will, if you minus 29, 42 minus 29 will give you 13. So, your answer is option 3. All right. So, 29 is the correct answer. So, I hope you all would have understood and you're getting the answers for this. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Right. See here you have 242.7, 514.83, 9 question mark 7 and 6. Okay. So now what's the relation? First, let us see how you are getting 40 with the help of these three numbers. That's 2, 7 and 7. So can you try this 7 into 7? 49. Right? So plus, see here, 7 square. Right? So 7 square is 49. Right? So minus 2 minus 7 will give 40. Like that, why don't we try this? That is 5 square minus 8 minus 3. So 25 minus 8 minus 3 will give 14. So for both the cases, your answer is correct. So the same strategy, you can use it for the third one also. Yes? How? Let's take 9 square minus 7 minus 6. So 9 square minus 7 minus 6, 9 9s are 81 minus 13 will give us 68. Isn't it? So your option 2 is the correct one. All right? Yes. I hope you all would have understood and you're getting the answers correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah. Okay. See the next question. We have 16, 28, 29, 13, 12, 16, 14, 10, 15, 15, 30 dash. Right? So for this, easily you can do, students. Right? So you see the vertical cell, that is the first column. Right? So why don't you try this 16 plus 13 will give me 29. What if I do? I'll get 15. So minus 14 will give me 15. Right? right? Okay. Let me explain the color yellow. Right. Similar, same strategy let us use for the second one as well. 28 plus 12 will give me 40. What if I do? I will get 30, right? So I have added these two. 28 plus 12, నేను add చేస్తాను 28 plus 12. And after that, what if I do? I'm getting 30. So 40 minus 10 will give me 30. Arthamayinda, students, right? See the third one, like that you can do 29 plus 16. Okay, so what do you get? 19. So 2, 3, 45. Right, so 45, if you minus 15, I get 30. All right, so answer is option B, that is 30. Yes. Right. So many of you are giving me the correct answers. Good students. All right. Good job. You all are doing, giving me correct answers. So I'm very happy that you all are working out the sums by yourself, which will definitely help you to score good marks. Right? Yes. See the next question. Right. So again, you have a 3 by 3. So we have 3, 15, 4, 7, 38, 5, 3 dash 5. Right? So let's try this. These two, 3 4s are 12. Right? Let's see this. 3 into 4 is 12. Plus what if I add? I'll get plus 3. That is this 3 if I add, I'm getting 15. Likewise, 7 into 5, that is 35. Plus this, not this 3. If you add what, you will get 38 if you add 3. So 35, 36, 37, 38. All right. Likewise, 3 into 5, that is 15, plus 3 will give me 18. So your option is none other than option D. If you had given me option D, 18 as your correct answers, then definitely your answer is right. All right. Let's see the answer. Yes, good. Fine. See the next question. So these questions are very commonly being asked in your exam, students. So we have 10. Okay. Then 12, 4, 15, 9. And in your second set of number, we have 16, 12, 28, 12, 20. And see the third one, 11, 15, 23, 16. So what is the question mark? All right. So now let us try this. So 10 plus 15 will give me 25. So now I need 4, isn't it? So 25 minus 12 minus 9. So 21. So 25 minus 21 is 4. Similarly, let me try the second option also. 16 plus 28. 44 minus 12 minus 20. So minus 32 will give me 12. So this is working out. So the same strategy, let's use it for the third one as well. So 15 plus 23 will give me 38. So 38 minus 11 minus 16. So 38 minus 27. 8 minus 7 is 1. Then you have 11. So your option A must be the correct answer. Let's see. Yes, perfect. All right, students. So now you, when such kind of sums are coming, you need to find a strategy. All right. So work out the strategy. which will help you to get the answers. All right, let's move on to the next question. So you have 13127, 34357 dash. Right? So let's see what is 1 cube is 1. What is 3 cube? 27. Right? So now what is 7 cube? 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. Right? So if you do 1 cube, you are getting 1. Okay. If you do 3 cube, you are getting 27. If you do 7 cube, you are getting 343. So the left out is 5. So if you do 5 cube, you will get the answer. So that is 125, which is option A. All right. So I'm sure many of you would have understood and given the answers. Now before that, let me read and see how many of you have given. Deekshita. I have Sri Charan Tej, Jayashri, Mani Teja. Many of you have given correct answers. Good students. All right. Now with this, let's move on to the next question. Here you find 15, 12, 3, 44, 28, 8, 64, 53 dash. Right? So somewhere something is missing, isn't it? So now why don't you add 15 plus 12 divided by, you get 27. What if you do, you will get 3. So 27 divided by 9 will be 3. Likewise, 44 plus 28. What if you divide, you will get 8. Let's use the same tactics by 9. Right? So if you do by 9, you get 8. So then for the third one also, you can do the same thing. That is 64 plus 53 divided by 9. You get 13 as a correct answer. So your option B is the correct one. Right. Right. Now see the next question. We have 3, 5, 6, 3, 39, 4, 7, 5, 4, 51, 3, 5, 5, 4 dash. Okay. So somehow try to find out the relation. Your target must be the center number. How to arrive at the center number. How they have arrived. Right. So let's do this. Take 6. Then take 5. So 6 into 5, 30. Plus 3 into 3, 9, 39. Like that, 4 into, no, 5 into 7. 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 8. So you get 43. But how much we need? We need 51. So 35 plus, oh, you have to multiply 3 into 3, right? So 4 4s are 16. So in that case, you get 51. Now, same thing we can also try here. 3 into 4, that is 12, plus 5 into 5. So 5 5 5 5 are 25 plus 12. 57. So your option C is the correct answer. Hope you all would have got it. See the correct answer here. being displayed. Okay. All right. So that was the answer to the previous question. Let's move on to the next question. You have 525, 4, 2, 64, 8, 1 dash. So this seems to be easy, isn't it? See, if you square 525 is coming. If you square 2, you are getting 4. Likewise, if you square 8 square, you are getting 64. So if you square 1, 1 square will give you 1. So your option A must be the correct answer. All right. Yes, see the correct answer. Beautifully displayed. All right. Now see the next question. We have 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64, 1 dash. So this is also similar kind. See, here you have 2 and 8. What is the relation between 2 and 8? If you do 2 cube, 8. 3 cube, 27. 4 cube, 64. Therefore, 1 cube is 1. So your option C should be the correct answer. Let's see. All right. Yes. Now with this, we are moving on to the next question. We have 5, 6, 12. 5, 6, 4 inside is 12. 6, 7, 5, 20, 21. 8, 4, 10 dash. So now you should find out how you are getting 12. So that the same strategy you can try for the second. And if it works out, you can apply for the third. All right. So now let's see how to get 12. Right. So we can take this, that is 5, 4. So what is 5 into 4? It's 20 minus 6. Try this. You will get 20 minus 6. You will get how much? 20. No, you get 14. Isn't it? Yeah. But we want 12. So if you minus 2, you will get 12. Let us stick on to the same strategy for the next sum. So we have 6 into 5, 30 minus 7. So you get 23, but you want 21 minus 2 is 21. So now the very same strategy you can follow. 4 into 10, 40 minus 8. You get 30. So 4 into 10 minus 10 minus 2. One more minus 2 has to be done, isn't it? So 40 minus 10 will give us 30. So your option C is the correct answer. All right? Yes, correct. Perfect. Okay. See the next question. We have 13, 15, 28, 36, 54, 90, 45, 63 dash. So these, even this is a very commonly asked question, students. So find the relation between 13 and 15, which is giving 28. Similarly, find the relation between 36, 54, which is giving 19. Okay, so this is a simple sum. I'm giving you just 1 minute time for you to work out and get the correct answer. All right. Yes, I am getting the answers. Yes, I am getting the answers, students. So now let's see. We have 13, 15. So 13 plus 15 is 28. Likewise, 36 plus 54 is 90. 45 plus 63 will give us 108. That's why your option C is the correct answer. All right. Right. Fine. So let's move on to the next question. Okay. All right. See here. Again, we have 3 by 3 cube. 368, 584, 47 dash. So how do you connect so that you can answer the question mark? So don't take more than 2 minutes, students, to answer this. Okay, let's see the answer. It is 6. How? 3 plus 5 divided by 2 is 4. Likewise, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 7, it should be 8. It should be 8. There's a printing mistake here. 6 plus 8 by 2, 7, right? Similarly, 8 plus 4 by 2, which is 6. That is why your option 6 is the correct answer. All right, students. So hope you all got the correct answer. Now see the next one. 6, 3, 25, 7, 4, 33, 8, 5 dash. All right. So 6, 3, 25. 7, 4, 33. Okay. Right. Now let's see the answer. 6 square minus 3 square. That is 36 minus 9 is 25. Likewise, 7 square minus 4 square. So 49 minus 16 is 33. So here also 8 square minus 5 square. Right? So which will give us 28. So then there's a printing mistake here. It should be 6. Okay. So that you can get the correct answer. 8 square minus 6 square. Okay. All right. So good that you all have understood. Yes. See the next one. We have 44, 33, 12, 33, 19, 15, 22, 19 dash. So how the first two columns are framed, similarly, we can also do the third one. Okay. All right. Let's see the third one. 44, you will get 33 plus 12. So we are moving column wise. See, this is, I'm sorry, row wise. This is column, this is row. All right. So 44 is equal to 33 plus 12. That is 45. What if you do? You will get 44 minus 1. So now let us try for the second one also. 19 plus 15 minus 1 will give 33. Similarly, 22 is equal to 19 plus, if you have chosen 4, then write 4 minus 1. So you get 22. That is why your option 1 is the correct answer. All right. Yes. Now see the next question. Find the missing number 2, 3, 4, 25, 5, 7, 2, 71, 1, 5, 6 dash. Okay, 2 minutes you can take, not more than that. Right, time's up. Let's see, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 3 into 4 is 24 plus 1. Likewise, 7 into 5 into 2 is 70 plus 1. Likewise, you can also do the same thing. 1 into 5 into 6 plus 1. 1 into 5 into 6 plus 1 is 31. So your option A is correct. Okay. Let's see the next question. Try to solve it within 2 minutes, students. So you have 5 cube is 125. 10 cube is 10,000. What is the question mark? Let's see the answer. 5 cube is 125. Oh, the center number becomes the power. So 10 power 4 is 10,000. Like that, 2 power 5 is what? 32. So your option D is the correct answer. Right. Now see the next question. We have 11, 349, 519 dash 7, 1300. Quickly try the relations and get the answer. Okay, I hope you all have done and got the answer. Let's see. Here it is 11,349. Let's see how this 11,349 works out. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 7 square is 49, like that. Try this, the third one, 7, 1300. So 7 plus 13 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 square is 100. Okay. So like that you can do for the next one also. Right. So we have 5, 19. So follow the same pattern. We have 5 plus 19, 24. 24 divided by 12. Then 12 square will give us 1, 4. All right. Now let's see how many of you have given me the answers. Okay. Right. Good. So many of you have given me the right. Good. See the next question. We have 6, 2, 3, 5, 7, 4, 9, 1. Question mark 1 and 6. So quickly work it out and tell me the answer, students. 2 minutes I can give you time so that you can also try. sure you all must be doing it or have already done it. All right, so now let's see how the answer, what is the correct answer and how it is coming. Okay. Right. So here we have 3. Let us do column wise. 3 plus 4, 7 minus 1, 6. Similarly, 2 plus 7 minus 8 is 9. Yeah. And like that, 6 plus 5 minus 9 should give 2. So that is why your option D is the correct one. All right. So let's see the next question. We have 5, 4, 41, 15, 6, dash, 9, 11, 202. Okay. Yes. Right. So take more than 2 minutes, students. Supposed to be time saving questions. Some questions, may require more of your time. But these questions come under your time savers. If you understand the pattern, you'll be able to do it. Okay. Let's see how the answer would have been worked out. All right. See, let's just try. What is 5 square plus 4 square? 25 plus 16 will give 41. Let us try 9 square plus 11 square. So 9 nines are 81 plus 121. So should give 81, isn't it? 202. So this works. So 15 square plus 6 square. So 225 plus 36. So it should be 261, option D. All right. So your option D is the correct answer. All right. Let's do the next question. Right. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 11, 7, 5, 120, 45 dash. Right. So students, you can try. And meanwhile, I'll also try. Now let's see column wise. 11 square is 121. So minus 1 will give 120. Right. So 7 square 49 minus 49, I can say minus 2 square, isn't it? So I will get 45. Similarly, 5 square 25 minus 3 square. Right? That is 9. So that should be 16. Let's see. Your option B is the correct one. Let's see. Yes, so option B 16 is the correct answer. Good. Right. Now see the next question. We have 92, 70, 48, 64, 53, 42, 52, 45 dash. So let's try this. 92 plus 64 plus 52. right? So let's see what you're getting. 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So it should be 208. See the second column, 70 plus 53 plus 45. So, okay, 168. Now, similarly, 48 plus 42 plus dash. Right? So here the difference between 208 and 168 is 40. Right? So here 48 plus 42 plus what you get, 38, will give us 128. So now difference between 168 and 125 is also 4. So your answer is correct. That is option C, 38. All right, students. Okay. See the next question. We have we have 25, 21, question mark 15, 18, 16. Okay. So now, what is the relation between 15 and 16? So 15 plus 1 is 16. Now bring this 16 plus 1 plus 1, 2 is 18. Right? So now you understood how you are getting 15, how you are getting 16, how you are getting 18. Next, bring this 18 here plus 3, which will be 21. So you have understood this also. Now, see the next one. We have 21 plus 4. We have 25. That is also right. Next, 25 plus 5 will give you 30. All right. So your option B is the correct answer. All right. Now with this, let's move on to the next question. Looks very simple, but you really need to work out. We have 2 dash 256 16. Right? So let's find the relation. You have 2 into 2 is 4. Likewise, 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 16 is 256. Okay. So now you can see the left out is 4. Okay. So hope you have got the answers. See the next question. We have a swastik symbol where you have 7, 16, 34 question mark, 142 and 286. Right now, let's see how you're getting, you're trying to, get the connection. Right? So you have 7 into 2, 14 plus, divided by 2. So divided will not work, isn't it? So 7 into 2, 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11. Sorry, 7 2s are 14, isn't it? So 14 plus 2, 16. Right? So next, same, we'll try this. 16 into 2 is 32. Plus 2 will give 34. So this is also working. Okay. Likewise, we have 34 into 2, 68. Plus 2 will give 70. Therefore, here the answer is 70. Your option B is the correct one. Okay. Right. See the next question. 11, 2, 18, 5, 2, dash, 12, 5, 15. Right? So now find the relation between this 11 and 18. Why don't we do one thing? 11 minus 2, how much you're getting? 9. So 9, if you do what, you will get 18 into 2. Let us check for the third one. 12 minus 5, 7. Right? So 7 into what you do, you get 14. You should multiply 2. Then likewise, we have the next one also. That is 5. So 11 minus 2. Likewise, 5 minus 2 into 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 2s are 6. So your option 2 is the correct answer. All right? Yes. Now, let us revise questions on mental ability sequences. So find the next number 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So the next number, you can see how it is being formed. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, and so on. So now we must try 13 plus 8. Okay? Which is 21. Next. All right? Yes. See the next pattern, we have 8, 9, 12, 17, 24, 33. Right? So now see here, what is the difference between 8 and 9 is 1. What is the difference between 12 and 17? No, before that, the difference, the relation between 9 and 12. 3. So 12 and 17. So we get 5. Likewise, 17 and 24, we get 7. So you are getting it in odd numbers, isn't it? So beautifully they have explained. Right, so next odd number should be 11. So the next number must be 11, 33 to 11. All right, here's the next question. What to do if we cannot identify the sequence? So we have to find the difference between the consecutive numbers. Consecutive means any term with its immediately next term. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So 2, 3 are consecutive terms. So 3 and 5 are consecutive terms. 5 and 7 are consecutive terms. Right. Now, what to do if we cannot identify the sequence? We have to find the difference between the consecutive numbers. Consecutive means any term and its immediately next term. So after that, check the differences to get some clue. If you don't get any, to get some clue, if you don't get any clue, you have to subtract the difference. Okay. Right. See the next question. Find the next number. 2, 7, 16, 28, 45. What could be the next number? Right. Why don't you try this? 7 minus 2 is 5. 16 minus 7, 5. 16 minus 28. 16 minus 7 is 9, isn't it? All right. So 28 minus 16 will give you 13. Likewise, 28 minus 45 will give you 17. So what could be the next number? So you can see here 5, 9, 13, 7, 21. So 5, 9, 13, 17. So the next number should be 66. How? Because the number is 21. All right. So if you cannot identify the series, subtract the terms. So 5, 9, 13, 17. The next number. So this is another series if you do not get the any clue, find the difference between these terms. So the common difference is 4. The next common difference also must be 4. Okay, so the next number must be 45 plus 21, which is 66. So now let us revise questions on mental ability mirror image. Yesterday we did few sums based on this mirror image as well. So this is a given option, and the second one is a mirror option. First one is the original one. Then you can see the mirror options. All right, now see the question, see the option. See here, the given figure is this left hand side, right hand side you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So quickly tell me which is the correct answer. So the correct option must be option 3. Right. Now see the next question. We have a back kind where we have a design. So now this is purely, and it is telling us the direction of the matters. All right. Yes. Now see the answer. It is option 3. Right. So it's all a mirror image. Right. Now, so identify the mirror image of the following given figure. All right. So option 1, the correct one. Okay. Right. See the next question. So if you are getting the answers, put your answers in the chat box. Right. See here. Option 2 is the mirror image. Right. So how do you choose this? One line has been increased when compared to the first one and the second one. All right, students. So you have to just do it, work it out, and understand it. Just a second, students. All right, students, let's see the next. This is the last question of the mental ability. Now I hand it over to Chandrika ma'am. Over to you, Chandrika ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students. So మీ అందరికీ ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. If you have any doubts, మళ్ళీ మనము రివైజ్ చేయొచ్చు. Once everything is covered. అన్ని ఒకసారి టాపిక్స్ చూసాక ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మీకు దానికి కూడా మేము అవకాశం ఇస్తాము. అప్పుడు అవన్నీ కూడా డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ చేస్తాము. Yes, students. So again, we will have class tomorrow at the same time, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. And ఇంకా ఎవరైనా NMMS కి అప్లై చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే అప్లై చేసుకోవడానికి టైం ఉంది 14th October 2025 దాకా. దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ మంత్ 14th వరకు ఇంకా టైం ఉంది. యూ హ్యావ్ 5 days మోర్ టు అప్లై. సో తొందరగా అప్లై చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ఈ లింక్ కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి షేర్ చేయండి. మీకు కమ్యూనిటీలో జాయిన్ అవ్వడానికి ఒక లింక్ వస్తుంది కదా, సో ఆ లింక్ కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి షేర్ చేసి క్లాసెస్ వినమని చెప్పండి. ఓకే. So again, we will meet tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Bye, everyone.